Tractor! I looked down and I knew there was no turning back. Tractor! My mind raced and I thought, what could I do? Tractor! And I knew there was no hope, it was pure goo. Tractor! Sound of the mud flying off my tires. The thunder of mud, my speed now expires. Seems my tractor's stuck. Rode down the dirt roads, there's no limit, we brought the chain. Tractor driving through Kansas. Yeah, Kansas, it's beautifully plain. Tractor, we hooked it up to the tractor on the dry land. Tractor, hold the chain tight, man, what a sight. Yeah, it should be fine. And I was spinning at the wheels, it was one of them deals, but we pulled it out just fine. Now there's no tractor stuck. Tractor stuck. Yeah, tractor stuck. Tractor stuck.